External cameras on the International Space Station capturing the arrival of the Progress 26 cargo craft loaded with 2.5 tons of supplies for the crew on board the International Space Station, including new Russian computer hardware. Fyodor Yurchikhin and Oleg Kotov, the Expedition 15 commander and flight engineer, are in the Zvezda service module. Yurchikhin is manning the Taurus system, the telerobotically operated rendezvous system, in the highly unlikely case that the Corps' automated rendezvous system would experience a problem necessitating a manual fly-in of the Progress. So far, however, the Corps system is working to perfection, and there are no issues being reported in the arrival of the Progress as it continues its fly around about 5 more minutes before it's precisely aligned 150 meters behind the Piers docking compartment. We're standing by just a couple of minutes from now for the reinitiation of the approach of the Progress that has been station keeping for the past several minutes to enable Russian flight controllers to assess its systems and its alignment of its forward docking probe with the Piers docking compartment. And as you can see, the Progress and the International Space Station now passing over the Mediterranean just off the northern coast of Africa. Time to docking about 11 minutes. Good view of the thrusters on the Progress now firing. Now this view from the external cameras on the Progress 26 showing the docking port of the Piers docking compartment now that we've acquired the signal over Russian ground stations. The crosshairs used to precisely align the docking target on Piers, which again serves a dual role both as a port for arriving Russian vehicles and an airlock for Russian-based spacewalks. Just 50 meters now until docking. The onboard computers precisely aligning the Progress 26's forward docking port with the Piers docking compartment. And the visiting vehicle officer, Tom Erkenswick, reporting back to Flight Director Brian Smith that the Corps' antenna now has been fully retracted on automated command. You recall a prior Progress arrival back in November of last year resulted in a failure of that Corps' antenna to retract, necessitating a manual retraction during a spacewalk by the Expedition 14 crew, Mike Lopez Alegria and Mikhail Turin. Today, fully successful retraction of the Corps' antenna. Progress now 40 meters away from docking. You can see just below the circular docking port, you can see that crosshair target. That is what the crosshairs on the external camera will align with, providing the Russian flight control team with the proper confidence that the Progress will be moving in for its proper docking to the piers just a few minutes from now.
Have you? Active mode confirmed. And deactivating the filter. Okay. The filter is.
We've now moved into an orbital sunset.
The lighting
25 meters separating the two craft. The rate of closure now 1/10 of a meter per second.
That the crosshairs are aligned. Base are confirmed. Base are confirmed. And the misalignment on the targets is no more than 1 degree. We can see display 44, same as you can. The video is stable for now.
Progress now 15 meters away. Good alignment now through the Corps' automated rendezvous system. Flight controllers standing by for contact and capture of the International Space Station.
The picture is unstable. We're at the center. The range is 3 meters, expecting contact. Contact confirmed.
Docking confirmed.
We can see capture.
Docking confirmed over Central Europe at 1:40 p.m. Central Time. Progress 26 has arrived at the International Space Station.
Indicator mode confirmed.
The Attitude Determination and Control Officer reports that the two vehicles are in free drift. The space station in free drift to provide any inadvertent jet firings that would perturbate the initiation of the latching of hooks and latches on both sides of the docking interface. A very smooth, uneventful docking. Progress 26 now joining two other vehicles, the Soyuz and the Progress 25 at the station. 3 Russian vehicles now at the complex, with the shuttle Endeavour not far behind. The visiting vehicle officer reporting that the docking probe has now begun to retract. That will pull the two vehicles tightly together to begin the initiation of hooks and latches that will form a hard mate between the two craft. Again, docking occurring high over Central Europe at 1:40 p.m. Central Time.